Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal's workshop. Today I'm going to teach you one different thing according to household items. Today no printers, no computer, just a household item I think everyone is using at their homes. We have today here top load automatic washing machine. Today I'm going to teach you how to deep clean the drum, how to disassemble the drum and how to deep clean the drum. First of all, we have to remove the top cover. If you have any kind of automatic washing machine, right now I have Midas washing machine. Okay, might be you have in your home a higher company or any other brand in your country. Just you have to remove the top cover carefully, or if you can't remove it, leave it as like is this open. But I am able to remove this, so I will disassemble it and keep it aside. And my cameraman will show you now. Here one filter, you can clean the filter by hand. Just remove it and clean this filter very well. I already cleaned the filter, but in this video I'm going to teach you how to remove this top cover of this drum and how we will clean the inner part of this drum. Okay, so first of all you need two screwdrivers, one flat and one star. All kind of machines, here are the top cover, the cap of the screw. You have to remove this cover with the help of flat screwdriver, and then with the help of star screwdriver we will remove this screw inside. And here we go. I will open this screw. So just right after remove or unscrew the screw, then lift it up carefully. If it need more force, you must make sure that your screw completely unscrewed. Okay, then this is the inner part that you have to clean. My tub is not bad yet, it's fine, but you can clean with the Tide, Surf or any soap you have or liquid. You can clean this. Okay, this is the way how to disassemble the inner part of the drum, and you can clean from inner side. If you have any other question, you can see the user manual of your machine, and you can send your machine to nearest service center. Thank you for watching. All the best.